What if we told you one of the world's most valuable dairy products doesn't come from cows? In extreme desert heat,
the hydration levels are stable across the herd.
Good, let's increase the feed rotation by 5% on the next cycle.
Tag applied, sync complete.
Moving to the next one.
Keep them moving steady now.
Ramp sequence initiated.
Bay 4 clear, proceeding to close.
manifest and seal number, please.
There you go.
All clear, proceed to the loading bay.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving.
Watch your step right there.
Health status appears normal for Camel 1.
Data uploaded. Let's move to Camel 2.
Analysis complete. Parameters are good.
Instant cooling is crucial. The milk circulates through these chilled tanks, maintaining a precise temperature of 4 degrees.
Here we see the raw milk entering the centrifugal filters. The stainless steel mesh ensures that only the purest liquid
Initiating adjustment sequence for 3.5% target.
Acknowledged. Data flow indicates stabilization within tolerance.
We have a variance on panel 7.
Noted. Ramping up flow to 850 liters per hour. Stand by for confirmation.
These advanced inline sensors ensure the highest purity standards, scanning temperature and density as the milk passes through the system.
These heat exchange units are crucial for energy recovery, utilizing the steam from pasteurization to maintain peak efficiency.
Sanitizer levels are optimal.
Very good.
The flush sequence is proceeding as expected.
As the milk passes this checkpoint, the system assigned a unique digital batch code, ensuring seamless data synchronization across the supply chain.
The sensors are consistently green across the line.
Confirmed. The synchronization on the nozzles looks perfect according to the data logs.
Check the alignment on that feeder tray. It's within tolerance. The throughput is steady.